Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am I am hauling Walmart. Stuff from Walmart. I got a few Christmas things and some clothing. And my kids are in there playing Xbox. Okay, so let's just get started. I kind of have a bunch of random things, so I thought I would just pull those out first and get them over with. So I found these containers probably over the summer. You get two. They're kind of rubbery, but pretty sturdy. I will say if it's full and you go to lift it up, not by both, the stuff will, they're not that sturdy like plastic. But I love the color. I saw these, I saw them when they were doing the college stuff, and then I didn't see them anymore, and I was really bummed because I wish I would have bought a few more. And they had other different sizes, and even one that had a kit that came with like bigger ones than this and then a bunch of small ones, which I did buy one of those. I wish I would have gotten two, but I saw this, and now I have a kid playing the flute. Anyways, so that's my train of thought. So I just got this, and I like these. I use these a lot for organizing. They're just nice to have extras laying around, whether for food, makeup, anything. I did pick up the Neutrogena Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. My oldest daughter likes to use this. It definitely helps keep her face clear, and she really likes it, so she needed another one of those. She's also obsessed with Burt's Bees chapstick. I don't really care for them too much, but I will say I'm glad she's wearing this and not like some crazy lipstick. This one's in the pumpkin spice, so it says limited edition. I'm sure it smells good. I think most of their stuff does. So I got that. Is that all I got? That's all I got that's not clothing or Christmas related. So let's do Christmas and then clothing, because clothing is the better part of this. So I found this sign. It says, "Let there be peace on earth." I thought it was absolutely adorable. I love how this sort of sticks out and it's deep set in. I'm not sure what that is. I am not a decorator, but I really like the saying. I thought it was adorable. I'm gonna try to do, I do different themes in different rooms. So I have like a candy king and Santa over in a different part of my house, and then in where our tree is and where in this area is usually decorated with more religious Christ-like stuff. So I try to keep the Santa Claus, snowmen, and then, you know, the stuff that's more serious or what Christmas is about for our family. Anyways, that's what I got this for. I just thought it was a really nice saying and obviously Christmas related. So I got that. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that outside or inside, but we'll see what I decide. The next thing I got, I literally ran out. Okay, so I was watching, and forgive me, I can't remember her name. I know it's Cinnamon is in her YouTube name. I have a horrible memory. I'll put her name here. She showed this, and I literally paused her video, got my daughter in the car, we ran over to Walmart to find this because it reminded me of my grandma. She had one of these and I really wanted it. And I even called my mom to see if she had my grandma's, because I want it. I don't want her to pass it to my sister or something. And she thought she'd already given it to me, but I'm sure she hasn't. In any case, I wanted to go buy one. So it is one of these glass Christmas trees. They have this one, and then they have one that was white within the colored lights. To be honest, I would have preferred the white one. They did have it. I just picked this one because this is exactly what my grandma's looked like. It was a little bit darker, but this pretty much was what it looked like. And I figured if my mom did misplace my grandma's, at least this will look like hers. And if I end up getting my grandma's, which I hope, I mean, I can put this somewhere else in the house. So I was so excited to see this, and I literally had to run out, stop her video, and come back to finish watching it because I wanted to get that. And it's not even near Christmas, so I doubt it would sell out, but I didn't want it to. So, and it was only 25 bucks. Hers was cheaper, so I'm wondering if mine is bigger. I don't know, we'll have to see, because she said hers was only 20, mine was 25. Or maybe it's different in the states you're in. But anyways, so a few weeks ago, I had a Walmart haul and I talked about a sweater that I got that reminded me of my favorite. This is also from Walmart, by the way. But in this, I know people think this looks like the American Eagle sweatshirt. It does look like it. To me, it does not feel like it. I know a lot of people keep saying that, and I don't know why. Because I think the American Eagle one feels so much better. But this one's nice. For 10 bucks, it's nice. And obviously, I love this. My daughter said this is an ugly color. So, I like it. Anyways, so I had talked about finding these sweaters that felt and looked just like the American Eagle. The only difference was the fabric was a little cheaper, but they're only 11 bucks. And the American Eagle ones are, if you get it on sale, you can get it, and you can pretty much get most American Eagle on sale for about 35. So you can get 3 of these for the price of 1. And I only bought 1 last year, and I wish I would have bought in a bunch, and I didn't. So when I saw these at Walmart, I literally bought every color. And then I was watching some videos on YouTube, and someone had it in black, and my store did not have it in black, and I really didn't want to place an order online, which I didn't. So when I went there to get that tree, I saw it in black, and so I had to buy it. And it's the one that has the ribbed down at the sleeves, and then the rib area or band around the waist, and it has kind of a high-low, not too drastic, or maybe not even at all. Let me see. Yes, it's about, you know, a 2-inch, 3-inch, I can't do measurements, difference from the back to the front. I did get this in an extra large size. I got all the other colors in a large, which I do like, and I do feel like it fits nice, but it's not long enough, or yeah, it's not long enough. I wanted it to be a little bit longer, so that's kind of why I went for an extra large, and I'm hoping this will be great. But so excited I found these. Seriously, you guys, I really recommend them. It's called the, I don't know if you can see that, hockey, I don't know how to say that, tunic, but it's only $10.94. So go get you one. All right, the next 3 pieces of clothing are not for me, but for my daughters, but I got them in the women's section. So this is actually exactly like the sweatshirt I have on. My daughter, that said this color is ugly, picked this one. And I told her they were like the American Eagle ones, which they are, and of course she wanted that too. It does have the high-low split down the side. They are a thinner material, and they are soft, but the way people keep describing them online is that they're so soft. Now, they are not like this sweater soft material, but they're not like rough. But I don't know, if I could let you feel my American Eagle one to this one, it is a night and day difference. But they have the same look, so that if that's what you're going for, then it's really a good dupe for that. But obviously you're paying for quality. So the American Eagle one is a little bit better. And I don't need that. I have, I think, only 1 or 2 of these sweatshirts from the American Eagle, and I kind of want to go get all the colors. So obviously I like it enough. It's very comfortable, very warm. It's very nice. It's not itchy, or I get very irritated from fabrics. It doesn't irritate my very sensitive skin. So it's nice. This is kind of in the, what color is this? Like gray? It's not green. It doesn't have green in it. It's like a light gray. So really nice. This is kind of all sweatshirt haul. So then I picked up, I have, my youngest daughter likes sweatshirts, and she wears the same 1 or 2 all the time. I get mad at her. So I went and got her a couple more. They don't really have sweatshirts in the girls section. And she's 12, almost 12 years old. She's average size, but she wears the largest size in the girls section if she wants it to be comfy and flowy. But I find that their clothes shrink a little, and so then she'll wear it once, and then I wash it, and then she won't wear it again. So I went to the women's, and I thought, if anything, if it's too big, it'll shrink in the wash a little bit. And I got her these sweatshirts. These are just where they put the sweatpants and sweatshirts. And of course I had to get her blue because that is what she loves. This is more of a navy. They were only $7.88. I did get her a size small. I probably could have gotten her an extra small. I just didn't want it to get her to be too picky. So I went with a small. Maybe I should have gotten extra small. I don't know. This is a navy blue one. And then I got her a teal one because it is close enough to blue. Anyways, so yeah, $8. They are very soft, have that fleece material inside. So this does not have fleece type material inside. It's more of a, you know, just a cotton, where this feels really soft. It's a little bit more plush than this. So, but these are just typical sweatshirts, have the, you know, the band around it, no split, no high-low, you know, the band around the sleeve. So anyways, these were in the women's. That is everything I got from Walmart today. Kind of a small, random type haul. Let me know what you've picked up from there. I'm always going there in and out, so I like to know what else you guys find. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one.